Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making this peppered pomo sauce. This peppered pomo is like over the moon, trust me guys. It had my husband's friends drooling when they came for the Easter celebration. But before we get to the do, I'd like you guys to please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you guys. So what makes this very special is because I roast my pepper. There are actually two things that makes this peppered pomo sauce very special. One of it is because I roast my pepper. I do not blend and boil my pepper. No. I apply some oil, and roast my pepper by putting it in the oven. And if you do not have an oven, you can just put it in your dry pot and add a little bit of vegetable oil, and you still get to roast it. Yes, but if you have oven, you can just do this and it's perfect. So this was my tomato, onions and garlic. I had to do this separately because the pepper was much. So I'm just gonna let that stay for like let's say 30 to 35 minutes. It is ready when it is ready. This is how it looks when it is ready. This makes the water dry, the water from the pepper rather dry, so you don't have to boil it after roasting. All you just have to do is blend. So I blended mine rough blend, but before we start preparing the pepper, I always boil my pomo. Like pomo has this kind of smell that I do not like, so I always boil my pomo. So fast forward to me putting my vegetable oil on fire to make it get hot. Then I add my pepper. You see, the pepper was not smooth, it was just roughly blended. I added my pepper and stir to let it fry. Then I'll go in and add my pomo. The pomo rather not my pomo I had in the cow skin. So guys, there's a story behind this peppered pomo. I actually used to have a shop in front of my house because we kind of own the house. So I used to have a shop, and there's this secondary school that is opposite my shop, and I used to sell peppered pomo to the students and any other person interested. And trust me guys, even if I buy 5,000 naira pomo for that day and I prepare it, that 5,000 naira pomo is going to finish because jeez, my pomo is over the moon. Like the pomo I prepare is over the moon because it gets everyone drooling. Like it's just a special kind of pomo because I do not prepare it the regular way. Like I do extra things to make it delicious. So I'm just gonna slice in my onions. Be generous with your onions. I am a lover of onions, but for those of you that do not like to see onions, you can just blend your onions very smooth so that you don't get to see it. I have some friends who do not like to see onions in their food. If you're that kind of person, then please, you can use onions powder, or you just blend your onions very smooth. So I remembered that I wanted to put sausages in this sauce, so I just fried some sausages, you understand. So there's a story behind these sausages too. My husband's friends were coming for the Easter celebration in our house, and I thought about it. Like I got to the market and a kilo of chicken was 5,600 naira or so, and a kilo gives you 9 to 10 pieces of chicken, which will not be enough. Like I have to eat from it, my husband has to eat from it, his friends has to eat from it. They can bring one or two people can just show up. So I said to myself, let me buy sausages. I will serve them sausages. At least when I serve them 2 sausages each and 4 to 5 pieces of peppered pomo, that will go right. So like I thought, it went well. And this is me just frying the sausages I bought. So I bought 2 types of sausages. I bought the chicken sausage and the beef sausage, so I just mixed it together, but I fried first before adding it into my pepper sauce that I prepared. So this is me just frying it. So back to the story I was giving you guys. I said I can prepare 5,000 naira peppered pomo, and for that day the pomo will finish, because look at it now. This is not the regular peppered pomo you see on the roadside and you buy and it will just be full of pepper. This is very tasty. Like, you can have this with your white rice and you get people asking, what did you put inside? You saw what I kept inside. I used bay leaf in boiling the pomo first, added seasoning, and I boiled. So you can see how amazing this looks, right? So I added my sausages. I don't know what you guys know this as, but I call it sausages or hot dog. Yeah, so I added it and stirred, then leave it on leave it to cook or leave it to fry for about 10 minutes, so you'll be sure the pepper has entered the sausages. Do you understand? So you're just going to allow this to cook or fry for, let's say, 10 minutes. You can use your fork to pierce the sausages so the pepper sauce can enter into it very well, and you can taste for your seasoning to be sure that it is okay. If it's not okay, you can add a little bit. So I added a little bit of seasoning and green and red bell pepper for just to garnish it. And you're just gonna stir. Like, this pomo sauce, like, I don't know what to say about it. I wish you guys can just follow this to the T, prepare it yourself at home and get back to my comment section if this worked for you, please, guys, please. So I still garnished it with a little bit of spring onions and just stir together. So now take a look at this beauty. Take a look at this beauty. Isn't this just so beautiful? Wouldn't you like to try this and have this with your white rice or fried yam? What else can you have with this? You can have this with almost everything. If you find this video helpful, you're welcome, but do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I catch you in my next video. Bye.